a vision is born. Enter Travis Yang, an art center design student whose dream of an extreme hypercar takes form. A lifelike prototype, cloaked in camouflage, emerges from the classic factory exit, a sight that sparks anticipation for upcoming models. Yet, this is but a dream, a wishful thought. For Ferrari may not endorse a creation resembling the Lockheed F-117 Nighthawk warbird. This single-seat, subsonic twin-engine stealth attack aircraft, developed by Skunk Works, served the United States Air Force and is now retired. It holds a place in history as the first operational aircraft with stealth design and technology, yet a Ferrari companion it may never have. But in a world where we entertain the extraordinary, let's envision what could power the unofficial Ferrari 12XX. With a duo of exhaust tips, it hints at a V12 heart, possibly infused with borrowed F1 technology for a plug-in hybrid powerhouse. And the power? Perhaps enough to challenge a Bugatti Chiron. This is the realm of automotive dreams, where the extraordinary is but a thought away.